welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating differences between middle class thinking and rich class thinking. Let's explore the mindset of successful people. You see, it's not just about how much money you have in the bank, it's about your mindset, your beliefs, your habits, your philosophy about money. It's about understanding the fundamental differences in how the middle class and the rich class think about wealth. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of the successful mindset? Are you ready to transform your relationship with money and step into a world of abundance? Let's dive in. Let's talk about saving money. Now, saving is important, right? We all know that. But the middle class often gets stuck in the mindset of just saving, of hoarding every penny. But here's the thing, the truly wealthy, they understand that saving alone won't make you rich. They focus on making more money, on creating multiple streams of income. They're not afraid to invest, to take risks, to build businesses. Remember, your ability to earn is limitless. Don't limit your potential by focusing solely on saving. Think bigger, think bolder, think about creating massive value and abundance. Now let's talk about jobs. For many in the middle class, a job is seen as a way to make a living, to pay the bills, and there's nothing wrong with that. But the rich, they see a job as a stepping stone, an opportunity to learn, to grow, to network, to build their skills and their knowledge. They understand that a job can be a platform to launch something bigger, to create something of their own. They're constantly seeking opportunities, looking for ways to add value and move up. Remember, your job doesn't define you. It's a stepping stone on your journey to success. So what can you learn today? How can you grow today? How can you use your current situation as a springboard to something extraordinary? Chapter 3, Risk Avoidance versus Embracing Risks. Let's talk about risk. The middle class often shies away from risk. They want security, they want guarantees. And that's understandable, but the rich, they understand that calculated risk is essential for massive success. They're not reckless, they're strategic, they do their homework, they analyze the situation, and they're willing to take calculated risks to achieve their goals. Remember, the biggest risk you can take is not taking any risks at all. Staying stuck in your comfort zone might feel safe, but it won't lead you to the extraordinary. Embrace calculated risks and unlock your full potential. Chapter 4, Spending versus Investing. Now let's talk about spending versus investing. The middle class often falls into the trap of consumerism, of spending their hard-earned money on things they don't need, on instant gratification. But the wealthy, they understand the power of investing. They invest in assets that appreciate in value, in businesses, in real estate, in their education. They delay gratification, knowing that the long-term rewards will be far greater. Remember, every dollar you spend is a seed you plant. Are you planting seeds of instant gratification or seeds of future abundance? Invest wisely, invest strategically, and watch your wealth grow exponentially. Chapter 5, Working for Money versus Money Working for You. Finally, let's talk about the ultimate shift in mindset, moving from working for money to having your money work for you. The middle class often trades time for money, working long hours, sacrificing their dreams for a paycheck. But the wealthy, they understand the power of leverage. They build businesses that generate passive income. They invest in assets that produce cash flow. They create systems that work for them, even while they sleep. Remember, you are not here to be a slave to money. You are here to design a life of freedom, of abundance, of impact. Put your money to work, create passive income streams, and unlock the true potential of your time and energy. Outro, unlock your successful mindset. Thanks for watching. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on achieving a successful mindset. Remember, your mindset is your most valuable asset. It can either hold you back or propel you forward to extraordinary heights. Choose to adopt the empowering beliefs and habits of the wealthy and watch your life transform. Now go out there, unleash your full potential, and create the life of your dreams.